My stupid easy formula to do 5 offers a day in wholesaling real estate. If you are not making offers, you are not making money. And what I want to do today is show you how to make 5 offers a day the easy, stupid, simple way that you're just overcomplicating. Most wholesalers will spend thousands and thousands of dollars and probably an entire month just to do 5 regular offers. Now, what I always say, 1 offer a day keeps the guru away. And the best way for you to keep the guru away right now is by making a ton of offers. So we're going to break down exactly how you can make 5 offers a day with these easy 5 strategies so you can actually get wholesaling real estate deals. Effectively, with these 5 strategies, you can do 1 offer a day with each one. So you get 5 offers in one day, 1 offer with each strategy. Let's start off with number 1, probably the one I've said the most and the one that's probably the easiest for you to guess. But this is just cold calling the Zillow for sale by owner list. That's right. Easy, stupid, simple. Go to Zillow, go to the for sale by owner section and filter out properties that are listed for sale by owner in your market. Now, what I want you to do is go to properties that are listed for over 100 days, scroll down to those properties and just make offers. I highly recommend you make offers that are below 70% of the listing price. Make 70% of the listing price your MAO on this, and you should get some wholesaling deals. Make as many offers as possible and you'll end up closing these deals. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to talk to these sellers, just go to my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, where I break this down in detail step by step. I actually go live on this YouTube channel a lot of me cold calling regular Zillow for sale by owners, and I get deals doing it because I just take the action. Now, method number 2 here is kind of a newer one, but it's one that works really well, and these are digital bandit signs. Let me repeat myself, digital bandit signs. That is right. Go out here and post digital bandit signs. These are bandit signs that you can post on the internet, on Craigslist ads or Facebook groups, just letting people know that you and your partner are looking to buy a couple houses for cash right now. I highly recommend you go to my free wholesaling course, which I've probably plugged way too much already, but come on, why aren't you on that course? It's absolutely for free. The link is below or just right here, freewholesaling.com. Now, digital bandit signs work because you can use AI to write all these different type of scripts and ad copies to just be posting on Craigslist and Facebook groups. Really, the big secret here is you're going to have to be really smart of how you're going to approach it. Go to Bard AI or go to ChatGPT and ask it to make a Craigslist ad saying, and then put whatever you want. Me and my partner looking to buy 3 more houses this month in Atlanta or something, whatever region you're doing, and make posts on Craigslist. Then go to Facebook groups and just say, hey, make a Facebook group post saying that me and my partner are looking to buy a couple more houses for cash, but make it seem a lot more slick because it's in this X group. Whatever it is, just simply plug it in and the AI should write something clever. If not, you can tell it to add emojis, don't add emojis, maybe change this part, keep this part the same, whatever you really want to do, just get creative and think outside the box here and you should do some wholesaling deals. Now, the cool part about digital bandit signs is you can do this on a really large scale. If you're wholesaling in multiple markets, you can get a ton of offers out there because you post a lot of these signs, you're going to get a lot of inbound leads and you get a ton of deals by doing this. The truth is most people watching this video right now, they probably haven't even posted 1 digital bandit sign, and that is terrible. That's not what you should be doing. You got to start posting these digital bandit signs now. Stop quitting, stop being a lazy bum, and start doing this now for wholesaling real estate success. Number 3, and this is really an underrated strategy, but these are just sending out ROS postcards. Now, I get it. If you have no money or cash, it might be harder to do this. But if you're a person that wants to start sending a bunch of offers out here and you got some cash, direct mail is going to be a really good investment. I highly recommend before you start doing any of this stuff, you do go to my free direct mail course. Remember, it's a free direct mail course. It's called mailingmastery.com. If you just start smashing buttons and ordering the ROS postcard, you're going to be severely mistaken. You're going to actually have terrible results. You need to go to mailingmastery.com. Again, that is mailingmastery.com to the free direct mail course. There's no signups. There's no opt-ins. You click it, you're right in there. It's going to show you how to do direct mail. Now, once you do that, you're going to learn about our unique postcard. It's called the ROS postcard. We're actually out here sending out postcards to motivated sellers that actually have offers on them. So technically it's more than 5 offers, but the cool part about why the ROS postcard works so stinking well is because you get all these inbound leads coming in and you're going to get a double response rate than on a regular direct mail piece. Now, I know direct mail is a little expensive, but the ROI is insane on these things. They're the primary mover for our wholesaling operations when it comes to our marketing, and it's definitely something I highly recommend for you to be doing right now. If you want to learn more, just go to mailingmastery.com. You're going to get a ton of offers done by sending out a bunch of direct mail for wholesaling real estate success. Number 4 here, this is SMS text blasting. You got to start SMS text blasting, guys and gals. If you're not doing it, you are definitely mistaken. Remember, you might be like, oh, Zach, I don't have all this money for SMS text blasting. Yeah, duh, I know this. This is why you get your personal cell phone. You can use Google Voice on your computer and start sending text out. That's right. With Google Voice in your personal personal cell phone, you can send text out. Now, there is limits to this. Now, you can only send out, I have found with my own research and just by doing this a lot, 5 texts per hour per line you have. So if you have a cell phone, your dad's cell phone, and then your mom's cell phone, you can only send out 5 texts per hour by doing this. But for 12 hours, that's 60 texts per line you can do. If you add a Google Voice, that's 5 texts per hour on that. So most people watching this, they have a cell phone and they have Google Voice. That will give you about 10 texts per hour you can send out. Over a course of 12 hours, that's 120 texts a day. That is way enough if you're doing it on a niched out scale. Trying for dollars leads, probates, code violations, any type of government list. This is going to be amazing for you to do this. Now, most people think you have to pay all this money. Now, yes, I do recommend if you want to do some large scale SMS and get a lot more offers out there, you should definitely use a service like smszach.com. But no, you never have to do that. What you should be doing instead right now is just sending out free text, getting some results, and then investing that into a paid SMS platform like smszach.com. Again, you can use my double whammy scripts for the free method by going to my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, conveniently, where I teach you how to do it for free. And I also show you how to set up smszach.com right there. Now, next, here's something that's a little more unique. And I'm going outside the box telling you this because this is a method that I do use, but not on an insane scale. But it is something you should think about if you want to go out here and start making a ton of offers. This is MLS wholesaling or on-market wholesaling. Now, I don't talk about it a ton. I know this, but we do deals on the MLS. It's not my favorite strategy, but when you want to go out here and make a ton of offers out here, this could be one you might be thinking about. Now, there's some licensed real estate agents watching this video, so this might be something you should be thinking about. I just want to get your mind open to this strategy. If you're good at talking to realtors or real estate agents and you're a real estate agent, this might be an amazing strategy. You can go to MLS listed properties and just offer 75 or 70% off the listing price. Do a little comps if you want, but try to send out 50, 60, 70 cold offers every single day. Now, I know this seems like a ton, but you can do this via texting, you can do this via calling, you can do this via email, whatever you want to do. But if you can blast out a ton of offers that are cold on older properties, you're going to get some low-hanging fruit. One example is when I teach you how to wholesale on the MLS, I recommend you do properties that are listed for over 75 plus days on market. Now, 90 to 100 is probably more preferential, but I'm saying when you're doing these older listings, these realtors get a little more desperate to get rid of the property before their listing agreement expires, and you can actually get wholesaling deals by doing this. Now, it's a lot of work. Is it better than cold calling or texting? No, but it is something if you're a licensed real estate agent, you should be thinking about because it is an option for you with MLS access. But the honest truth here is marketing is king. If you do not know how to market, you will not be able to make offers. So to make a ton of offers, what I'm kind of doing and showing you today is you got to market like a madman. You have to market like crazy. When you market like crazy, the offers will flow. And when you make a ton of offers, you get a lot of contracts and you sell those contracts and get a lot of money for wholesaling houses. More offers, more money. Start focusing on that mantra right now for 2024 and you'll make a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.